Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration.
Let's go, let me show you, So right now, let me take you to the beach. Let's go to the beach and see what it looks like. Then after that, I'll be showing you the pool. Oh yeah, let's go. This is how the beach looks like, and honestly it's beautiful. I don't know, it's weekend but people are not here right now, but it's okay. But just take a look. This is where you can actually relax, think of what next to do, have fun and enjoy life. You know, problem no dey finish, so you just have to enjoy life and live it. So let me just walk around the beach, and you guys just take a look at the outside boat over there. And also we have one around here. I think they are 3 in numbers, so that is one there. Yeah, what are the one there? Okay, this is the third one. It's a beautiful one. Anyways, let's go back to the pool side right now. Right now, I will show you the standard room at Lighthouse, which you definitely enjoy your night stay. Okay, let's go. So here is the standard. Like from this side, you can see a very beautiful mirror. This is the TV, and of course, this is the sitting area. Take a look. You can even have a popcorn, made for you, chips, just for you. And here they have the menu. Take a look at this, and also see this. Welcome, brother. Welcome. So this is it. Okay, now let's see how the room. Take a look at this beautiful African design. This is lovely. What do you think about this? Is aesthetics, honestly. Take a look. And here there is telephone here. If you need anything, trust me. All you just need to do is just to put a culture and look at this. Oh my god, this is my favorite side. Like you guys know me that I really enjoy sleeping, having fun in my room. Like I love a very comfortable lifestyle. So take a look. This is massive. This is it's good for husband and wife, boyfriend, girlfriend. Carry your girlfriend, come here, come do vacation in Nigeria. Get. And also take a look at this. Okay, this is body scrub. They have sanitizer, and take a look at this beautiful card. Welcome, start of your gateway. Right, this is lovely. Refresh, relax, and sanitize. It is very essential. And also take a look at this. They have the towel. Look at this design again. This is beautiful. Like you cannot have alakala here. Trust me. See all this beautiful stuff. You can take a look at this. Like, and this is the okay. Let me show you. This is the wardrobe side. Take a look. This is massive enough. And here is the bathroom. The bathroom is absolutely neat. Like come in. Take a look at this. Oh my god, this is lovely. Yeah, this is the towel, and there's heater in case you don't want to use cold water. There is heater, and this is the shower area. This is where you have your bath. This is so lovely. I hope you love it as well. So guys, right now let me take you to the pool area. We're already here, and take a look at this. This is the cabana. It looks so good, and honestly, this is let me just do as I used to do. This is lovely, trust me. Like you can just be like this and think about life, think about anything. Have a cup of wine. I'm just trying to process everything here. But anyways, let's go to the pool side because the girl has to, swim, even though I don't know how to swim. Lovely, and yeah, take a look at this as well. You can just better thing now, better lifestyle. Okay. I don't know how to swim, but I just want to play with water before I leave this place. So let's get into the water. Seconds I can stay under water without breathing. So I can't for me. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! For this video, thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you really enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will see you in my next video. Bye.